Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at Bitcoin. I've actually got it open on the weekly chart, but we'll just quickly go out to the monthly, and I'm going to do a very quick top down. See this level here, the support level back here. Okay, see how this spiked down to this level 3 times here. We've traded up to it here, rejected, traded through, candle body. Right, this is quite a significant monthly level. So we've traded through, rejected, now coming back to retest. Have a look at it on the weekly and just take note that we've got where the current price is. You know, we can see that this is quite a big level, corresponds with this monthly. So we've got this weekly monthly combo. Yeah, on the weekly, same thing. And we could pull that through there and mark that up. I'll color that orange, and we'll go down the time frames, and we're going to go down to a 5-minute chart, and I'm going to show you an entry strategy. But before we do, okay, have a look at this. See this thin candle, these highs. Okay, so it's actually wicked back down into this level here, and we can see this is in a strong bullish trend on the weekly. Well, you know, we've had this retrace now. We've got this strong bullish candle. On the daily, the thing that strikes me with this is how far overextended this move is. So just be a little bit careful at this level here, right? So, yeah, I mean, it's Bitcoin, and you know, it can do that, but I'm always very wary if we see a move like this without a significant retrace, especially trading into these kind of levels. In any case, I'm just going to just mark up a couple of things here, and then we'll go down the time frames, and I want to show you something. We'll just call that a daily so that we've got that for reference. It's a fair way away from the current price. Now we've traded into this level here. This is a daily bearish order block right here, and coincides with the monthly and weekly. This is a significant level. We could see a decent retrace perhaps. So that's daily. Yeah, that's why I'm really cautious around here. You know, I mean, you want to buy around these levels. You don't want to be buying up around these levels. So we'll go down 4 hour, work our way down to a 5-minute. All right. So here we are on the 4 hour chart. I mean, look at this rally. It's well and truly overextended, and I definitely won't be getting involved long. So what we've got here is, if we've got this balance area back down in here, 4 hour daily time frame combo, and I mean, we've got a similar up around in these levels here as well if we look left. But what's interesting to me is this. We've got well, this thin candle. If we pull higher the left and the low on the candle on the right, so we'll just pull that through and call it a gap. All right, thin candle, 4 hour, and then we'll mark up the rest of it, and then we'll go down to the lower time frame and just see what that looks like. There's another one here. I'm just looking at where we have these thin candles without anything left and right. I'm just marking these up as a reference point for H. These all act as target levels. Now, you know, if this retraces, that's what I'm going to be looking for, movement down into these levels. And we'll pull this one through, and we'll mark that up there. 4 hour imbalance. And we'll just have a look and see what it looks like on. It's going to go down to a 30-minute chart from here. All right, so we've got this one, 4 hour and 30-minute combo, but you know, more importantly, I'm really interested in this one further down. So we've got this thin candle here. We pull a high out the candle left, and these lows here. This is a 30-minute imbalance. I'm half expecting this to trade back down and fill this gap. So with that in mind, imbalance 30, there it is. These, and then we've got this one here, but you know, we've got this balance area on the 30-minute down around here. So you know, expect the market to do what it normally does. It trades and retraces, and then we got this balance area further down under here. All right, so you can see that through here, this range. Right, so really important levels. I mean, we could mark this up as a reference point, 30-minute. We'll just call it a 30-minute, and then on the 5-minute chart, this will kind of come together. But imbalance. No, we got. Okay, hang on. Text, and we'll just call it 5M. Okay. Now, I'm going to take you down to another chart. All right, so 5-minute balance area, got this imbalance, and these 4 hour levels. Okay, so this 5M and these grey areas are 2 key important levels there. All right, what we're going to do now is I'm going to introduce my trusty indicators here. I want to have a look at this and show you something. Consider this. Let's just go left. We're looking for a signal here. looking for a specific trade alert. What we've got here is this. Here it is. See this green dot. This is a stop run. We can see that this bar tells us that the 4-hour and the daily meet a certain criteria. That's a strong bullish momentum. Coincides with this yellow line, which is a daily key level. And we've got this little dotted line up here. It's a bit hard to see, but that's a daily level as well. So whenever you see this bullish bar accompanied by these, we got 4 out of 5 below green. That's my multi-time frame, higher time frame indicator. Combo of this with this, that's a very strong bullish market. It's ranging through here, and what we get is a fakey shaky. We get the range, we get a fake out shake. This is a stop run. Whenever you see a green signal like this, where this is green and this is green, we take that trade right there. And I mean, it's obvious the outcome. Look at it. All right, so I'm going to ignore any red signals. We're just looking for the green signals. So the same thing's going to apply here. I mean, look, this is a counter trend trade. I don't really want to take it. It's a lot more risky. By the way, this white line is a monthly, and that's part of our indicators. Right, so it's telling us that we've banged up against this monthly level. Now, what I'm interested in is if this retraces, if this pulls all the way back down, and then we see it rotate, and we've got green bars underneath. Well, I mean, yeah, that's the signal. Click the links below, guys. Jump on board, gain access. All the information's there. Have a look. What we're looking for are the strongest signal is where you have this green bar under. However, in saying that, that's a green signal. We had a green bar previously. We've got green under, and you want to take this trade. Stop loss, well, this is a 5-minute chart, but see this line, this line under here, that's a daily level. So you want your stop loss to go under a daily level. Look what happens. See how it touched it to the pip, right? So stop under here. So another green signal. So we're looking for the green signals, not the red. And if we go back, see, this is still telling us green. Well, we've got 2 out of 4 of these giving us green, and we've got a green bar. There's your trade right there. And this is Bitcoin. This works with any instrument, but I mean, look at the outcome. What else can I say? So the same applies. Oh, I've just deleted one of my indicators by accident. Never mind. That's the one with the dot. So guys, look, I would invite you to gain access. Hit me up, send me a message, DM me. And with that, I'm looking for an opportunity to buy. It's a bullish market. I want to see the retrace. I want to see it trade all the way back down. Let's go out of here. Go back into this one. 4H. I'll give you my my entry point. All right, let's just get rid of all that. This is what I'm interested in here. Now grab a fib if you want to go the old-fashioned thing. Okay, see the 61.8786. That's my area. I want to see it retrace back down in here, and I'll be looking to go long in around these levels. Long position now. If Bitcoin happens to take off without me, I'm quite happy to let it go. But there's a low over here. That's a trade idea, right? So I'll leave you with that. Guys, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Check out the links below. See you in the next one.